well, that is why your WFAA weather team is calling Thursday and Friday WFAA weather alert days. And I'm going to show you this again. This is specifically Thursday morning through Friday morning. The impact will be accumulating snow, 3 to 6 inches, up to 6 inches for some locations, especially north of DFW, closer to the Red River. Here's what you need to do. Prepare for hazardous travel. We are likely going to see slick and snowy covered roads. Pay attention to the forecast because any slight difference in temperature will cause differences in how much snow we could get. Our winter weather alerts now include a winter storm watch that does include DFW, Ellis, Johnson County, Hood County to the north across the Red River. This is for Wednesday night until Friday afternoon. And it's because of that accumulation of snow up to 6 inches north of Interstate 20. Here's what I'm thinking right now. Our snowfall forecast, not very much if you are south of Interstate 20. In fact, sleet and snow mix. Because of that sleet mixing in, the amounts are going to be really low, less than an inch. But the rest of the area, 3 to 5 inches look very possible still. And if you are north of DFW, closer to the Red River, this has shifted a little bit since yesterday. Up to 6 inches of snow will be possible. This is not going to be consistent snowfall for everyone. We will see varying amounts within this range Thursday and Friday. Again, it could change, and this is why we have this area of low pressure. This is where we have that next winter storm developing, and this is going to take a track towards the south. Now, the current forecast track still makes it and keeps favorable conditions for winter weather in North Texas. However, if this slows down, and it could, and if it shifts farther north, it's going to bring and allow warmer air in, and that means less snowfall. Plenty of moisture, though. See this Pacific moisture that area of low pressure is bringing in? That is the reason why we still have a good chance of seeing precip come Thursday and Friday. So again, mainly rain if you're in Waco and south. We do have then mainly snow, and this is the wet kind of snow, I do want to emphasize. So that means that it will be really nice for the kids to be out and playing. Now, this is mainly for the northern half of North Texas, but we also have this area that's called a transition zone. This is where we could see some of that sleet mixing in with snow, mixing in with rain, and that's what lowers the amount of snow possible in this area. But like I said, still looking at 3 to 6 inches of accumulation possible, especially north of Interstate 20. We'll be watching that transition zone closely because it could shift come Thursday, Friday. But this is the timecast as of now. This is going into Wednesday night into Thursday morning around midnight. You start to see a few flurries along our western counties. At this point, no accumulation. I'm taking you to 5 in the morning on Thursday. You start to see some of that mix south of DFW with snow flurries reaching the Metroplex. Still not really seeing much in the way of accumulation. And then we'll start to see more accumulation here as we head towards noon. See how a lot of that snow, it's the blue that you see there, that's through noon. See how the pink is still staying generally south of Interstate 20. This continues to 4. This is where we see our bigger accumulations. That's now through 6. And this generally continues to thin out from west to east throughout Friday. So again, the highest accumulations likely will be north of Interstate 20. As far as today goes, we're not seeing a whole lot. It's quiet, but it is cold. Temperatures are still freezing, but eventually we do make it to 39 degrees. 26 tonight, 40 for tomorrow afternoon, and then we're looking at freezing temperatures again Thursday, Friday morning. We'll barely climb above freezing Thursday. Chris?
Thank you, Marielle.